Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you're going to look at Karma Airdrop, how to claim your Blaze drop every day. Right now, the airdrop is in progress and is available for claim only if you have 1000 Karma. That is when you will be able to claim your Blaze airdrop every day. And if you're in Nigeria, you claim it every 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it will be available. So you need to check it on your time zone to know when to claim your Blaze drop. So here, if you have not started mining Karma, locate the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately, and I have at least 1000 for you to join the airdrop. 1000 Karma before you can join the airdrop. Disclaimer: the insight shared in this video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. Always make your personal research before taking part in any platform. So I'm going to claim my blessed drop now, and I'm claiming daily interest 1%. So you can see now Karma coin drop, airdrop in progress, available to claim. I have 10.47 Karma to claim. Just click on this claim. And one beautiful thing here is that you can withdraw your Karma token anytime. Whenever you are tired of Karma, you can easily swap. Your Karma is not locked. It is not staked. You can swap it to USDT any moment you want. So that is the beautiful part of it. So I'm going to put the amount I'm withdrawing. I'm going to put 10.47. Now I'll click on withdraw processing. Just give it a, can you see withdrawal successful? So if I refresh the page now, I have 10.47 before. Let me refresh the page and you will see that I have already gotten more. Can you see that my Karma balance is now 10.57.4? Before it was 10.47. So I have increased my Karma. So this Karma that I have here, I can decide now that I don't want to continue with Karma project. I'll just click on this swap and you will swap it automatically to USDT. It is not locked. You can withdraw your token anytime you want it. So how then do you earn more? You can see this airdrop history. If you tap on this airdrop history, these are what you need to know. Once the snapshot is taken every day, you'll be able to claim your blessed drop. And the regular user, you must, like I said before, you must hold at least 1000 Karma in your wallet to receive the blessed drop daily. Now, as a leader, by being a leader, by growing your community, you earn, as a leader one, you earn 15%, 10%, that daily bread commission from your 3 level of followers. Once you have built up your followers as a leader, you have people who has already purchased Karma and have at least 1 Karma in their wallet, you are going to get commission. So it is advisable to at least have people under you. It will help you to earn more. So looking at this, look at the earning history. I have started earning. This is my earning history. So if you have not started, I'm going to share the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately and start earning. Just this is how Quantum Wallet started. Quantum Wallet started last year, November 2024, and ended around June, July. So people that invested in that project really made a lot of fun. So tomorrow again, I'll still come back here and claim my Karma, my blessed drop. So that is how you claim your blessed drop every day. So if you got value from this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Link in the video description. Thank you guys.